So good morning, everyone. I think we should just. I'm going to make some few announcements for today. I think God power, your mic is on. So good morning, everyone. I think we should just. I'm going to make some few announcements for today. Is the echo? Let me solve this. God power, your mic is on. Okay, sorry. We have. Let me see how many people have joined. So far, 116. It's not bad. I know more are joining, but just to make the announcement, for today it was supposed to be a physical, mostly physical practical session, but the school is shut down because of the holiday for Salah Eid. So what we I realized is instead of us to rush you online, because normally practicals online will not be very practical. So I've compiled a list of videos that you can follow at your own pace. You can watch them at on YouTube. I've compiled them. I think Edafe has already sent them on the YouTube chat. So anybody that's joining can also use that. I will suggest Edafe for you to send it to them maybe on the Telegram channel also, so that they will have access to it even immediately. So some as the chats are going up and down, uh, I'm not sure it will be what do you call it? It will be that good for others that have joined later, or maybe they will not see the message. So that's what I was thinking. I think for this particular issue. So if we can send it to them, please. Now, yes, okay. Somebody says it's already on the Telegram. Uh-huh. So that's what you're going to be doing from now till. We have also dropped an email so that you don't flood my messages with questions. I've dropped an email address for you if you have any major issues. I repeat, the keyword here is major. If you have any major issues with the particles, uh, but it's quite simple and very clear. If you follow the video step by step, you see how everything is done. It's just a practicalization of what we have done in class. So please try and follow it step by step. Make sure you have configured your systems. If not, then you can just learn from and see how it's done on the video. That's why we did a video. I know some people don't have laptops or people are using their phones, so you can see how it's done live. But it will be better if you follow the video and do it on your laptop at the same time. That is my own suggestion. But if you cannot, then just watch the video and learn how things are being done in terms of specific module that we have done. And like I said, I've dropped an email. Edafe will paste it also here and in the Telegram channel. If you have any major questions, you can send an email to that particular email and you will get a response within a few minutes or few hours. As you can imagine, there are over 1,000 people here. So if somebody doesn't respond to you immediately, please be patient. We'll try to respond within 24 hours, please. You can be a little bit selfish, please. You are over 1,000 people, so you can't respond to everybody at the same time. So you can imagine the amount of people that will be asking questions. So just be patient, please. You'll get a response within 24 hours from the email. Yes. So basically, that's just it for today. Many people are either fasting or on holiday, or because I've seen there's a public holiday declared in Nigeria, all those things. So just go and log in, and sign your attendance, and then you can start watching the videos for the practicals. You can start now, immediately. That's what you're supposed to be doing. So Let me check and see if there are any. Okay, that is not okay. Let's try and see if there are any questions. David, please make sure you have handled the attendance so that everybody can be able to log in and sign. Yeah, so that's it for today, actually. Since we can't meet physically with some people, so that we will also broadcast what we are doing physically for those that are not. Um, the practical lab is what we are supposed to be using for the tools, which are already pre-installed. So from home, there's little we can do, especially with for teaching is different here. So we're supposed to be using the licensed versions for teaching. For learning, you can use any version. The free versions that I've sent you in the lab setup, you can use them. So it's okay. See, Emmanuel Ime, Daniel, VirtualBox asking for password when I log in. It's just for you to Google that. You don't have to ask somebody. You have the internet there. New installation of VirtualBox. How do you handle that? That's how you solve problems. It's not every little thing that everybody supposed to answer to you. Please, you have the internet. So simple Google, everything will give you an answer. There are people that have had similar issues with you. They've solved it. Please. Somebody is asking, do we need Ubuntu? We don't need Ubuntu. We need Packet Tracer, basically, which you can install on your Windows machine for free. And also you can set up your virtual environment on your VirtualBox with the virtual Cisco virtual machine to do some certain tasks. That's it. Configuration of your routers, your AAA. Even though the same thing you can do them if you want. That's why I gave you two options. For those that the VirtualBox is not working, you can just go ahead directly try to do it on Packet Tracer. You can do it. And we're giving you the videos for step by step. So you can use any of the both ones. You can use them. All of them are okay. Latimo Bolaji says that install this stuff. That's very good. Very good. Latimo. Mm-hmm. So somebody has already given you answer Cisco 123. That means Ali Isiaku has gone through the guide very, very well. So please don't just rush and do things and then come and ask questions in a rush. Take your time. You have time. From now till next week before your next class, you have all the time from today to next week, weekend, to do this particular lab. Just go through whatever they've been, replicate the same thing. That's just it. Emmanuel Ime Daniel, we just talked about this same thing. Virtual was asking password each time alone. Same thing. Somebody asked, we have discussed it. It's like you are not listening. Yes, Olatimu, good that you have three machines on your virtual box, but you just make sure that your laptop, Olatimu, is can handle both three machines. Please, don't go and crash your laptop. If it's not responding, please use another link. Simon Chinoso. Use another link. Try and find your devasc.ova, please. And also within your students, if yours has worked, I think majority of people yours have worked. There are some people that might not have that same experience or not. Just try to respond to them, maybe on WhatsApp, whatever it is. Try and put them to also. It's better to do the one-on-one. For me, I'm handling over 1,000 students. I can't do one-on-one. I have to do general. But if you know somebody that has issue, or if you have issue, or you know somebody that his own has worked, just try and contact him. Guide you through. It's very easy actually. Maybe you did one mistake or so, or maybe You have one or two prerequisites that you have not fulfilled, or maybe your system has some quite small issues. No, please, iPad cannot be used. Sorry, we need a computer installation. So I think that's it for now. Mm, I'll still be going through the questions if I see anything. So I'll mute.